In today's video, we'll review the Levoit Core 300S, a successor of the legendary Core 300 model. This air purifier brings many improvements and additional features, but has kept the same design principles and filtration technology. Keep watching and find out how good it is, how it performed in our tests, and whether it's worth the investment. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Core 300S requires some preparation before the first start. To begin with, you have to unpack the device from the shipping box and remove all the protecting straps on it. Then, pull out the filter from the device. Remove it from the plastic wrap and place it back into the air purifier. Now your Core 300S is ready to use. The only thing you need to do now is place it into the desired location. Plug it in, and turn it on. The Core 300S characterizes a minimalistic but very functional design, making it extremely easy to operate. The plastic and build quality are excellent. This model is currently available only in white. It's divided into two parts, the lower part containing the air intake vents and filter, and the upper part which includes the motor, air quality sensor, and control panel. The control panel includes power, timer, sleep mode, fan speed, auto mode, display off, and display lock buttons. On the control panel, there's also a filter reset light, timer indicator, Wi-Fi signal, and an air quality indicator, which is a ring light located at the center of the control panel. A minor downside is the lack of a carrying handle. Nonetheless, this is a well-made air purifier that blends easily into almost any decor. This air purifier is cylindrical in shape. It has two parts, the lower part, where openings are for drawing in air, and the upper part where the filtered air exits. The Levoit Core 300S is a smart air purifier with plenty of advanced features, making it a worthy successor of the Core 300 model. One of the most interesting features of this air purifier is the AirSight Plus air quality sensor, which is placed on the back of the device and detects the air quality in real time. This sensor works in combination with some other features, so the collected data is shown through the LED indicator on the control panel and the VeSync Smart App. What's more, this sensor works in combination with auto mode, which switches the fan speed based on the current air quality in the room. All in all, this is a fantastic feature and a great addition to this model. Apart from the air quality sensor, the Core 300S can be connected with the VeSync Smart App, has some basic features that can be found in almost any modern air purifier, and can be voice controlled. You can find more information about this air purifier's features at airpurifierfirst.com. Since publishing the VeSync app, Levoit has released many smart air purifiers. The possibility of connecting the air purifier to the smart app opens many advanced options for controlling your Levoit Core 300S air purifier. Through the app, you can control the device remotely, and you have access to more insightful air quality data, as well as the historical data of the PM 2.5 particles in the air. There are also advanced scheduling options, auto mode settings, and much more. The Levoit Core 300S uses a traditional Levoit 3-in-1 filtration technology. The filter used on this device is cylindrical, hollow through the middle, and placed inside the bottom part of the device. A pre-filter is the first filtration stage. It's a nylon mesh filter attached to a true HEPA filter whose primary purpose is to prevent large particles from reaching the HEPA filter, thus expanding its lifespan and improving overall filtration efficiency. The true HEPA filter is the second filtration stage and is the most important filter on this air purifier. This filter removes 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns in size. This includes mold spores, fine dust, smoke particles, bacteria, viruses, and allergens such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. A pellet-based filter is the last filtration stage, which aims to neutralize bad odors from the air. The Core 300S comes with the original filter installed, but you can also purchase a few more filter options made for specific purposes. Overall, this air purifier uses a high-quality filter which is proven by excellent results in performance tests. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. As this air purifier uses a non-washable filter, you'll have to replace it from time to time. Luckily, the Core 300S filter lasts about 6 to 8 months, which is quite long for such a small air purifier. This air purifier has a filter reset indicator that will let you know when it's time to replace the filter. The process itself is straightforward and consists of a few simple steps. First, unplug the air purifier, then turn it upside down, open the filter cover, and pull the old filter out of the device. Next, it would be a good idea to vacuum inside for any residual dust. Then, prepare a new filter, place it inside the air purifier, and close the filter cover. Lastly, reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the sleep mode button for 3 seconds. Regarding the noise level tests, we have tested this air purifier on all the speeds separately, using a special noise measurement tool that measures noise in a dBA scale. This air purifier has 4 fan speeds and an auto mode that switches between the speeds based on the current air quality. The sleep mode is the lowest fan speed, which on the Core 300S produces a sound of 41.4 dBA. On the first speed, it produces a sound of 46.5 dBA. On the second speed, it produces 54.6 dBA. And on the max speed, it produces a sound of 65.2 dBA. Overall, this is a quiet air purifier, especially in sleep mode and first speed, but it's a bit louder on the max speed. Levoit greatly improved the motor on the Core 300S. It uses less power, only 26 watts, while keeping the same performance as its predecessor, the Core 300. The Core 300S consumes only 23 watts on the max speed, so if you run it on the max speed 24 hours daily for 1 month, your electric bill would be increased by about $2. This isn't a significant cost, but there's also a filter replacement cost, which is also not too large. Overall, the Levoit Core 300S is well optimized, uses long-lasting and inexpensive filters, and is one of the most affordable air purifiers maintenance-wise. Like the previous model, the Core 300S covers rooms of up to 219 square feet, making it ideal for small bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or other small rooms. We tested this air purifier in 2 different room sizes while measuring particles during the tests with the temp-top laser particle meter. In the first test in a 194 square foot room, the Core 300S improved the air quality by about 94% in just 60 minutes, working at the max speed the entire time. In the second test in a 320 square foot room, which is a bit larger than the recommended dimensions, it improved the air quality by about 92%, also working at the max speed for just 60 minutes. These extraordinary results prove that this air purifier works well even in slightly larger rooms. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time is needed for the Core 300S to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. Overall, the Levoit Core 300S is an exceptional air purifier. It offers many upgrades from the Core 300 model, including features such as an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, smart app compatibility, voice controls, and more. It uses low power, is very quiet, has a true HEPA filter, and had outstanding results in our performance tests. Because of these reasons, the Levoit Core 300S is our absolute buying recommendation and a great option for small rooms of 219 square feet or even slightly larger ones. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below the video. Check out the detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's it for now.